Alright guys, we're waiting for the tornado siren to go off. It's 10 a.m. It should go off. I am at school recording this, so. I'm a little bit nervous, but okay. If you enjoyed the school flyer drill, please subscribe to the channel.
Why isn't it going off?
It should be. It should be going off. Give it another like 2 minutes.
It's 10.
Yeah, it should be going off. It should be going off. Just give it another like 1 or 2 more minutes. If it's not going off by then we'll head back to class.
Okay, it's 10:01 now.
All right.
We have 1 more minute.
No, 2 more. Sometimes it goes up at 10:03. Oh. Here's some. Here's the other. I think here's some. Where'd they go? Might go on for a little bit longer. All right. Oh, your modulator! Corneo's modulator! Getting the wind down. And we